deal with this hole in the floor. I don't know how much the rust still spreads, so I am going to remove the sound deadener. I was gonna remove it anyhow, so I can, you know, put some lizard skin on this floor. But, you know, this will knock out the 2 birds with 1 stone type of deal here. I thought the hatch had some, but I may have removed that way back in the day. No, my 94 had some in the hatch. You know, aside from these spots. So to get that off, I scurried down to the local market for a feast of yeast and wine. Oh, it was dry ice. It was dry ice. But I did get the wine too. A 1, a 2, a 3 into the 4. That cracking is a sound deadener unbonding. Alright, let's see if it's stayed on there long enough. Should be able to hit the floor with a hammer and it comes off in slabs. Oh, word. Yeah. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Doing work. The sounds of that popping, that debonding, so satisfying. I won't lie. Pretty much got this area done. Work on this area next. I don't remember how I did these, the sides. Figure it out. An alternative to chilling it or freezing it, you can always melt it with heat. A heat gun. I guess I can do that with some of the little sloppy areas. And then it don't even have to be that perfect. Doesn't really matter that much. Alright, the last RX-7, I just was able to hit it hard with a hammer and it worked, but I don't know if this one will do it. Oh yeah, it broke. But I'll use the chisel, so I won't dent the floor too much. Oh, that almost could have been a solid piece. I got a little bit over there, but damn. I don't know how long my dry ice, I don't know how far it'll go, so I'm gonna move on to this section. That way I can see what I'm working with. Just gonna let that marinate for now. By the way, while I'm doing this, I'm PPE'd up from the feed up. I have to hit that with the wire wheel. So I got some surface rust. This side did not come out as easily as the other side, possibly because of the surface rust. Who knows? To build a form, probably out of some cordboard to fill up with some dry ice to get the sides off or the vertical surfaces. But I know another way. I do have a heat gun. I can do it this way. After heat supplied. Oh, that's sweet. Yeah, that'll work. Not the cleanest, but I'm happy with that much being off. I can come back with a better scraper too and get all the rest of the residue off. But I don't think that's critical. A lot better with a new scraper. Well through primer.
Yeah, it will be. Now.
Let me pull. That is a repaired floor. That's cool.